In this video, I will be reviewing the Denja hand-forged chef's knife with a 5CR15 MOF core material. Hello guys, I'm Chef Panko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. Make sure to subscribe to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. The Denja chef's knife review sample was sent to me by Denja. However, no one is paying me to make this video or to include the knife in a video. No one will get a chance to preview my footage or thoughts before the video goes up on YouTube. If this video provided any value, make sure to hit the like button since that will help the channel a lot. Now with the disclosures away, let's start with the review of the Denja chef's knife. The Denja hand-forged chef's knife comes with an authentic blacksmith finish. The blade is not coated black, but is part of the forging process. The finish gives the knife a rustic look, while if you look closely, you can see slide hammer patterns. This is not part of the design, but is slightly visible due to the forging method. The knife has a full tang handle with carbonized wood. The Denja chef's knife comes with a 5CR50 MOF core material with a Rockwell hardness of around 55. It is a core material with good stainless properties and it is durable. The knife is sharpened at a 15-degree angle. The core material is also strong, so you don't have to worry about chipping. With a Rockwell of around 55, the knife edge can be held for approximately 2 weeks with regular honing sessions before needing whetstone maintenance. However, Denja added a convex grind which would result in a longer out-of-the-box edge retention. The weight of around 230 grams is similar to other Western style chef's knives, and the blade does have a distal spine tapering. The heel thickness is 2.6mm, 2.3mm in the middle and 1.8mm at the front. The carbonized wooden handle has a nice shine and is more water repellent. It has a thin coated sealing layer to protect the wood. The balance point of this knife is at the handle. If you pinch grip at the blade, the knife will be back heavy. Combined with a back-heavy balance point and a Western chef's knife curved profile, the knife will assist you in your rocking motion. Since the knife is entirely handmade, each knife will be slightly different. The blade has a blacksmith finish which creates a rustic aesthetic. It also needs a bit more care. If you don't plan to use the knife for a more extended period, it is advisable to apply a thin layer of mineral oil on the blacksmith finish to prevent it from rusting. You can also use some mineral oil if you feel that the coating on the handle wears off. Denja did an excellent job with the hand-forged knife with a carbonized wooden handle. The blacksmith finish is not rough, but keep in mind that every blacksmith finish will eventually wear off the longer you use the knife. The knife hardness is 55, which means that you need more frequent honing to maintain the knife sharpness. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or other opinions, leave them in the comment section below. If I helped you decide, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. If you want to know more about cooking and knives, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.